Yes, peeps, good day there, you know. Come out on a little pitch at beach side, close to my yard in a watch race. You could baby come get a dip, you know. Get a look first time in a sea water. And you know, say, in daddy are your whole seaman, you know, so she get her first dip. Can't go feature her too much in a video because I know YouTube and the kids thing already. And this channel now, you know, I know for kids, you know, thick for kids. You have to know that you can't feature young kids, baby or any kids in a video unless your channel have to feature for kids. So you have to know that. So, nice little spot here, so. Nice little area. Little done drive out that side there, right? Now the B-roll them you can see the river come down and run off of the rock down there. So now almost I set here now. Around the corner there. Lovely scenery. To 4 now. Old curious background so there that are the town, that are the hotel them on the side there. And I ride on the roadside, because my car park up as I see. I live about a mile from here, so it's walking distance. I can't walk, I'm walking here so regularly. Yeah. So when I did a plan for do, I have that camera. And I have a no other, I use my regular camera. I carry my underwater housing for my big camera and my light. And I think I don't need no light, so I do. I just snorkel in a little piece of reef, because the reef there. I just got a chain in the reef there. The reef just right there, so you can't walk straight out there. I go snorkel around and get some nice video footage, just like what I'm doing at the sanctuary video. And get some nice video footage of what they are in a little area. What species of fish there so until. And that me I go do. Meanwhile the baby I go and get in deep. I go out in the water now, you know. I see it, I can get some lovely shot of some of the fishes that's out there. Maybe I can put together a nice video by the end, you know. Yeah, I need to give you a rundown for what go on here so another time. This is the underwater video rig that. I specialize in underwater videography and photographing as well. All of the people who don't know, I'm a photographer. That's my job. I do videos and photo. So, and I specialize in everything in video and photo. I do underwater, I do wildlife, I do wedding shoots, parties, anything at all. I do music video, short films, movie, anything. I don't really have no limit when it comes to that. So, I go up in the tree and say, man, I see us about. I see it, I can't get one of them. So, if I can't catch it, I'm nice. Oh God, and that one they drop, you know. They get 2 though. Alright. Yeah. I can't eat. Baby, I get in first dip of seawater. She born 2 months. And lovely yacht out of water there. Yeah. I look a piece of beach and nice. Although them say the place is locked down. I know you're so still, but round there so where little down river, I guess it's locked down because a whole heap of people that around there. But I see people around there still, but nobody can too, you understand? But 1 and 2 you can come to the beach as long as you don't crowd up, you can go enjoy yourself. And peeps, one thing again, let me explain and tell you a thing. It's when you go to the beach and you see the place crowd up, nobody stay there. If you go somewhere and a lot of people they leave because sometimes it only make worse. You understand? Because of the crowd them are run from. try if you find somewhere you know say no whole heap of people no there. Once you go somewhere and you see the crowd, just leave and find somewhere else. So no bother with the feed there. You understand? Because we don't want to hear them say them are going to shut down this and shut down that. So if everybody work that way there, we can't go wrong. See? Come on, so I'm going to go out here so you know, on the inside here so, and see if I can get some of the nice footage. You know? Me probably can use back some for some short documentary. You understand? So we'll see what I go on now. So now go down there, sun look nice around there. Yep, so go into the water now. So I'm in the water now. You can see a lot of bubbles coming up from the sea floor. And the water is a little glissy at the top. That's the fresh and the salt water mixing together. And there's not a lot of big fish in this shallow area. Just some small cleaner fish and some parrotfish. And this is a parrotfish trying to hide me there. Next beautiful parrotfish. And that's a small surgeon fish. I guess that species of surgeon fish don't grow any larger than that. This is a cleaner fish trying to escape the camera. It's a sea urchin. In Jamaica we call him sea needle. These are two shrimps underneath that rock. So beautiful. And at this time I am free diving. I'm not using any scuba gear, so expect some shaky footage. And that's a dead lobster and a live lobster. This is a yellowtail snapper trying to make a run for it. This is my sight of the first trumpet fish. That's an next trumpet fish resting underneath the coral. And this fish, I guess this one is a wrenchman. The next trumpet fish. That's a heel with his head out through a hole there. And this is a sea cucumber. So that's enough the snorkeling for me. Heading back on the beach now. Well peeps, evening I come down here now, you know. Evening I come to an end. So just go to the water and thing. Out pan and I get couple footage and thing, but couple footage. I go out there maybe about 40 minutes me out there for I go and snorkel around. So I get couple footage. So I do a little video. Never plan to do no video still, just go wash off the baby. But I do a little video and put it together. So I do today, you understand? Yes man. So the day I come to an end, you know. And our family come a beach too. So I go head out now, so catch you in the next one, see?